welcome back. Now we still have that frontal system and those areas of clouds with thunderstorm activity in the Western Caribbean affecting Cuba, and we also have some scattered clouds across the Jamaica area. There is still expected to be continued movement across the area. We should still be seeing that cold air moving into the western portion of the Caribbean and the Jamaica area on Sunday, so we're expecting an increase again in cloudy conditions across the Central Caribbean and Jamaica, and we're also expecting lower temperatures as a result. Now, in the eastern portion of the basin, cloudy conditions, we do have some shallow troughs, but we are seeing also some isolated thunderstorms across the east. We're not seeing movement, however. We're expecting much of this area to remain as it is currently. Now, the forecast for tonight, it's partly cloudy to mostly cloudy across most of the island, and we are expecting temperatures to drop to about 23 degrees Celsius for both Kingston and for Montego Bay. Expect those northerlies along both coasts averaging 10 knots. Now, in the morning tomorrow, it's partly cloudy across most of the area, and for the afternoon, we do have an increase in clouds, also increase in shower activity, especially later in the afternoon. We're expecting cloudy conditions across most of the area in the night. Temperatures are reaching only 30 degrees Celsius in Kingston and 29 degrees Celsius for Montego Bay. Now, our breakdown has partly cloudy to mostly cloudy skies in the afternoon in Morant Bay, Kingston, Halfway Tree, Portmore, as well as Spanish Town. But you can see an increase in clouds in the afternoon in Mapen and Mandeville, where we are also expecting some isolated showers. And then further west, scattered showers and a few thunderstorms are expected in the afternoon. That's Santa Cruz, Black River, Savannah, Lamar, Negril, as well as Lucy, Montego Bay, and Falmouth. Now, for inland areas, we're expecting cloudy conditions to persist in the late afternoon going into the night. We're expecting cloudy conditions with scattered showers and a few thunderstorms for Brownstown, St. Anne's Bay, Ocho Rios. Also for Port Maria, Port Antonio, Golden Spring, and Bog Walk across inland areas of the east. We also have showers and isolated thunderstorms expected across inland areas of central parishes in Moco, Christiana, and in the west in Grange Hill, Duncans, and Cave Valley. Expect cloudy conditions as well for Richmond and Moortown. Now, the next few days, on Sunday, that's when we're expecting the wind speeds to begin picking up, especially across sections of the south, but we are expecting windy conditions to prevail. It continues into Monday, those clouds, those showers and windy conditions, and then on Tuesday, we're expecting isolated afternoon showers and partly cloudy conditions in the morning. For the marine forecast, northwesterlies are expected on the north coast tomorrow. We're expecting the wind speeds between 15 and 20 knots, with the wave heights between 1.5 and 2 meters. Now, the south coast tomorrow, expect north-northwesterlies, so we have a small craft warning in effect. The winds are between 20 and 25 knots, while the wave heights are between 2 and 2.5 meters. And for offshore areas, the winds are more northwesterly, averaging 25 knots, with the wave heights averaging 2.5 meters. The offshore outlook, that's the sunrise and sunset times. We're expecting sunset in Kingston tomorrow to be at 6:01 and at 6:07 in Negril. That's it for the weather report and forecast for this evening. But we thank you so much for watching.